friends, myself Navsheen Singhal. I have secured first rank in AIMS 2015 exam and I feel great that I have been a part of Akash Institute. I joined the institute in 2013 through their ANTE exam and had been a regular student at Akash Classroom Courses, Janakpuri Center for the 2 years. The concise and the accurate notes that had been provided to me proved to be a boon for me. They helped me save a lot of my precious time so that I can get hold of all my basics and perform well in all the examinations. The detailed and the accurate packages that were provided to me also helped me crack my board exams as well as all of my competition exams. They really motivated me. The teachers at Akash Institute are very friendly with us and they will always keep you motivated to achieve great heights of success. So I would advise all my success-seeking friends to do their best at Akash Institute. Revise your class notes regularly as much as you can. Nothing's going to be asked outside them. Your main target should be accuracy rather than going haphazardly reading anything else. That's all a waste of time. Just go through your packages and your class notes. Don't miss any of your tests at the institute and practice as much as questions you can, and that would be the key to your success. The tests that we were provided, the AIATS series at Akash, also provided a real insight of all the examinations that I had to face, and so I had no fear before appearing in any of the exams. The doubt sessions at Akash are one of the best sessions that helps you to clear all your concepts and not leave anything unclear in your mind. To all my success-seeking friends, I would suggest just one thing, that go through your notes as much as you can, read your NCERT books as much as you can. Do not leave any of the lines. Everyone is gonna ask only from that point, and do not do haphazardly reading useless guides. Just follow what your teacher tells and you will also achieve success like me. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं नवशीन सिंघल की मदर डॉक्टर दीपा सिंघल, डॉक्टर कैलाश सिंघल फादर। नवशीन सिंघल ने एम्स में टॉप किया है, एज यू नो वेरी वेल, एंड ही इज़ द जो नवशीन सिंघल है वो एंथे ग्रुप में आकाश में सिलेक्ट हुआ था फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और उसी से हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिली। तब हमने जनकपुरी आकाश में उसका एडमिशन करवाया। देर आफ्टर उसने वहाँ पे बड़ा अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। टीचर्स ने बहुत अच्छे से कोऑपरेट किया उसको रिगार्डिंग उसके डाउट्स एंड उसके जो सब्जेक्ट्स के जो डाउट्स हैं सबको क्लियर किया।
And he got very good atmosphere at Enthe Hostel, Scholars Hostel.
Scholars Hostel in Nevada.
हाँ, in Nevada. उसका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। बहुत ही एकेडमिक माहौल था वहाँ पे। बच्चे बहुत स्टूडियस और बहुत ही डिफरेंट स्टेट ऑफ सोसाइटी और डिफरेंट रीजन से थे। उनके साथ सब मिलजुल कर पढ़ते थे और टीचर्स का बहुत सहयोग रहता था वहाँ पे। बहुत पर्सनल केयर रखते थे।
टीचर्स ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा कोऑपरेट किया बच्चे के साथ, हर पॉइंट पर उसका कोऑपरेशन था।
जो एटीएस स्पेशली एटीएस जो होते थे वो बहुत ही क्वालिटी सेक्शंस थे और उससे नवशीन को बहुत ही मदद
हेल्प मिली और तो उसने गोल को अचीव किया। और
उसकी मेहनत के साथ, टीचर्स की गाइडेंस के साथ, आकाश की
पूरी टीम
के सहयोग से आज नवशीन ने हासिल किया है। उसके लिए हम आकाश का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।